Hello everyone and hello class 10th. I am Vaishnavi Gupta and I am in class 11th. Last year I gave my boards exam and I scored 99.8%. I'll tell you what all I did in the last one to score good. As बहुत कम दिन बचे हैं, like only a few weeks are left. So the last important tips and what I did that I scored such a good percentage, and you can too. I don't know if your syllabus is complete or not, but at this point, I think your syllabus should be completed. It is time for you to revise, practice as much board papers as you can, PYQs, sample question papers, and everything like that. In the last month, I had 3 priorities straight: self care, practice, and revision. So, मतलब I was taking good food in order to not to get ill, but also मुझे concepts पता हो और मेरे conceptual knowledge strong हो, and that's what you have to do. As आजकल competency based and case based study questions बहुत आते हैं, it is very important to understand the concepts. And in the gap days that you'll get, कोई भी नया chapter, कोई भी नया topic you don't have to touch. अभी जितना भी time है, if your syllabus is not completed, try to complete the most important parts, the most important chapters. Any subject, you can complete those chapters and those topics first and focus on that. Because mainly CBSE का जो पेपर बनता है वो उन्हीं कुछ गिने चुने टॉपिक्स से बनता है. So focusing on that is very very important. गैप डेज में या फिर अभी भी जैसे ही फेब स्टार्ट हो जाएगा, टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विद अ न्यू टॉपिक, टू अंडरस्टैंड अ न्यू चैप्टर, अ न्यू थिंग, दैट विल ओनली मेक यू पैनिक एंड मेक यू फील, आपका सेल्फ एस्टीम वो लो करेगा कि मुझे अभी तक ये नहीं आता है, परसों मेरा पेपर है, हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू कवर अ लॉट ऑफ सिलेबस. सो डोंट डू दैट, डोंट डू दीज मिस्टेक्स. कवर योर सिलेबस इफ यू कैन. I think to score a good percentage you need to be consistent, but if you are not consistent in the past months and the past days, then try to be productive and give your most hours to study. Just have faith in yourself and believe that you can score some percentage that you want to achieve, either it is 90 plus or 95 plus, and I have faith in you that you can. अपने आप में कॉन्फिडेंस रखना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड व्हेन यू रीच द एग्जाम हॉल हैव दैट कॉन्फिडेंस दैट यू ऑलरेडी नो द पेपर. स्टे पॉजिटिव, स्टे काम इन द सिचुएशन, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अदरवाइज अब वहाँ पर जाके सब कुछ भूल जाओगे या फिर यू विल बी कन्फ्यूज एंड दैट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर यू. बाकी at last just practice and be thorough with NCERT despite whatever subjects you have, either it's maths, science or English. Being thorough with NCERT is very very important. Start and the basics thing like PYQ solve करना, sample papers कोशिश करना, but I think board paper solve करना is very very important. क्वेश्चंस वहीं से रिपीट होते हैं तो आपको सेम क्वेश्चंस वहाँ पर मिलेंगे, एंड यू नो इफ़ यू प्रेजेंट योर आंसर वेल यू कैन स्कोर दिस परसेंटेज बिकॉज इट्स ईजी. बोर्ड चेकिंग बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं होती है बिकॉज द टीचर हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ पेपर टू चेक, सो वो भी थोड़ा ऐसे लेमन तरीके से चेक कर रहे होते हैं. So you can score a good percentage if you present your answer well and you look confident in the answer sheet. With that being said, I think that's it for this video. I hope you like this video and all the very best for your boards, and just rock the boards. Bye bye. Subscribe the channel if you want to and you think this video was helpful for you. See you in the next one. Bye. Is everybody gone? Okay. Now the big reveal. I did not actually score 99.8 in my boards examination. I am in 11th right now. I was in 10th and I scored 90.8, and I know 99.8 and 90.8 is not the same, but it was a social experiment and it was for you to believe, to not believe everything you see online. So this was a social experiment and this was to check the YouTube algorithm. I did not score the actual percentage and I just thought to be transparent with you. And for the people who already knew me, might be shocked by seeing the title and I know थोड़ी छेड़छाड़ की है मैंने उसमें, but to check it. So it was a social experiment and it's not real. And it is for you to remind that do not believe everything you see. Check the facts, be authentic, subscribe to authentic YouTubers, and do not believe everyone, not even me if you sometimes don't feel like. Bye.